Test drive the 2018 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $90,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, dual pane panoramic sunroof, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, leather shift knob. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.